our materials, stackable wooden box, Ikea, some parts of a wooden chest, adhesive wallpaper, scissors, glue stick, and glue gun. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your host, Adelino. For today's video, we're going to make a leg piece for this stackable wooden box from Ikea. I have this wooden thing from the chest, board from the chest. I don't know what you call this, but I kept this long time ago. This was from my sisters, so I kept it. This one is using in playing a chessboard. The one I choose, I don't know what you call this, the small one. As I know, it is called a pawn. So let's find out how it goes. And this will be the legs or the feet of our project. So let us look later the outcome, what it look like. So let's get started. First, I'm going to clean this stackable wooden box. This one from Ikea. So this pink or reddish color round circle is a acrylic plastic. So I have to clean first before we doing our job later. So this project also I will include putting a adhesive wallpaper on the top of this wooden box. I also clean the inside part of the box. And also this little thing from the chessboard, I clean it one by one. Sorry for the dirty on my fingernails. This is a paint, a stain paint, because I've just done painting color black. That's why my fingernail is black. So I have to clean it one by one. This little thing will serve as our legs or feet of our project. So optional also, if you want to varnish or to repaint this one, it's optional. It's up to you. But for me, I leave it like this so that it has a character, it has a vintage look. Now here I'm showing the position or the legs were been attached later. So we need to at least space 1/2 inch before the edge of this box. So 1/2 inch on both sides, so just like the one you saw on the screen. You can also use a screw. If you have a screw, you can use it to attach the legs. So it make more sturdy for the feet. So if you have a screw, you then use it. But the one I use is a glue stick for this video purpose only. For the sturdy, you may use a screw. You have to attach this one like this. For permanent, you can use this screw. For temporary, you can use the glue heavy duty glue stick. Now this the part I show you, the first one. But there's another design how should place the this wooden thing. So on this part I show you the design. So this is the upward. So it shows look like this. But also you can use it upside down. As you see on the screen, it shows like this. There's two options. If you want to upside down or the ordinary stand of the feet. So it's up to you. This looks like when it's upside down, and this one is the regular position of the feet. So which one do you like? A or B? Comment down below if you want letter A or design letter B. So now I'm getting a glue gun and a glue stick. So I will stick this little feet or little leg on our wooden box. So I put enough glue stick on the corner. Notice that I leave half an inch on the edge of this box. Put a generous around this on the bottom of this little wooden thing, and then place it properly, and let it dry until about 5 minutes to dry this glue stick. Thank you guys to our channel members, returning viewers, organic viewers, silent viewers. Thank you so much for dropping by. And to those who are new on this channel, please don't forget to, if you like this video, give me a big likes, share, and also subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will notify whenever I have a new video upload. So like and subscribe. On the top part, I will now measure how much wallpaper to be used. So only on the top part of this box, I will put this the wallpaper. So this wallpaper is from my leftover from my previous project. The wallpaper is look like a marble, a granite, marmolized granite or marble. Here I'm making a mark where I cut this paper. So I have to mark it before I cut it. And now I'm going to peel this adhesive wallpaper, peel it, and then stick it on the top part of this wooden box. Sticking this wallpaper is so very easy. I know you guys, you can do this. Just simply put in alignment this wallpaper, and then put some pressure downward or sideward. And to avoid the bubbles, you have to press it, and if you see some bubbles, it can easily remove again the paper, and then apply pressure on your palm, on your fingertips, and then swipe it slowly and slowly.
A few moments later.
I hope you guys learned something new about the DIY hack project for this tonight video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!